on my shoes, but I refuse to lose. Mama used to say, storm cloud can't stay long. Even when me weak, Jah make me strong. So me lift me eyes through the cut and pain. One drop, one touch, and me born again. Healing rain fall down, wash me clean again. Healing rain fall down, turn me tears to bread. Healing rain fall down on this wounded land. Healing rain fall down, Jah hold me hand. Woman by the road, share her bread with me. Her smile like mango shade under the tamarind tree. We was both half broke, still we share one song. Love can build a bridge when the night too long. So me lift me eyes through the cut and pain. One drop, one touch, and me born again. Healing rain fall down, wash me clean again. Healing rain fall down, turn me tears to bread. Healing rain fall down on this wounded land. Healing rain fall down, Jah hold me hand. When the river run dry, we remember how to pray. When the road get rough, love show us the way. Stone by stone we climb, though the fear come near. One sweet drop from above, and the night disappear. Healing rain fall down, wash me clean again. Healing rain fall down, turn me tears to bread. Healing rain fall down, pour down this wounded land. Healing rain fall down, Jah hold me hand. Oh, na na na, na 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 na. Yeah. Sunrise over hill, me heart still carry bruise. Dust on my shoes, but I refuse to lose. Mama used to say, storm cloud can't stay long. Even when me weak, Jah make me strong. So me lift me eyes to the cut and pain. One drop, one touch, and me born again. Healing rain fall down, wash me clean again. Healing rain fall down, turn me tears to bread. Healing rain fall down on this wounded land. Healing rain fall down, Jah hold me hand. Woman by the road, share her bread with me. Her smile like mango shade under the tamarind tree. We was both half broke, still we share one song. Love can build a bridge when the night too long. So me lift me eyes to the cut and pain. One drop, one touch, and me born again. Healing rain fall down, wash me clean again. Healing rain Morning comes to me with a heavy step, bare feet on rough ground and a heart laid bare. The hillside knows my name, the river holds my tears. I've been bending in the wind through many years, but I still rise from the red earth floor with a song in my chest and a hope for more. If the road get long and the night come down, I lift my face to the open sky. Healing rain, come down. Healing rain, come down. Wash my sorrow away. Healing rain, come down. Healing rain, fall soft. Healing rain, fall sweet. Put love in my hands and strength in my feet. I seen the hungry days, I seen the empty plate, I seen a good man fall and a woman wait. But love stayed close to home like mango tree shade, and faith kept lighting up the path we made. So I hold on tight to the promise true. Every broken piece can be born anew. If my heart grows tired and my eyes grow dim, I call on mercy, let it carry me in. Healing rain, come down. Healing rain, come down. Wash my sorrow away. Healing rain, come down. Healing rain, fall soft. Healing rain, fall sweet. Put love in my hands and strength in my feet. When the storm is loud and the hill feels steep, there is a holy fire deep in sleep. It wake like dawn on the banana leaf, saying, child, hold on, you will believe. Healing rain, come down. Healing rain, come down. Wash my sorrow away. Healing rain, come down. Healing rain, fall soft. Healing rain, fall sweet. Put love in my hands and strength in my feet. So I lift my voice to the open sky. Healing rain, come down and let me rise. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Morning comes to me with a heavy step, bare feet on rough ground and a heart laid bare. The hillside knows my name, the river holds my tears. I've been bending in the wind through many years, but I still rise from the red earth floor with a song in my chest and a hope for more. If the road get long and the night come down, I lift my face to the open sky. Feeling chest. The road was rough and narrow, but I could not forget my test. The rain came down on the hillside, and the night would not let go. Still I heard a song in my spirit, soft and steady, low and slow. Then the dawn touched the river, and the dark began to move. I lifted up my eyes, Lord, and found a reason to choose. Healing through music, healing through music, carry me home again. Healing through music, healing through music, hope is my faithful friend. When the burden is upon me and the tears fall like the rain, healing through music, singing me strong again. My mother held the lamp high, my father taught me to stand. He said, walk with the humble and keep your heart in the land. I saw the blue mountain rising, I saw the sea stretch wide, and I knew no storm could break me when love was by my side. Then the dawn touched the river, and the dark began to move. I lifted up my eyes, Lord, and found a reason to choose. Healing through music, carry me home again. Healing through music, hope is my faithful friend. When the burden is upon me and the tears fall like the rain, healing through music, singing me strong again. One day the chains will open, one day the wounded will sing. Every broken heart shall remember, even the coldest night must bring a morning over the water, a blessing over the land, and we will rise together with mercy in our hands. Healing through music, carry me home again. Healing through music, hope is my faithful friend. When the burden is upon me and the tears fall like the rain, healing through music, singing me strong again. Healing through music, we rise in peace as one. Healing through music, here the work of love is done. I walk through a valley of sorrow with heavy stone in my chest. The road was rough and narrow, but I could not forget my test. The rain came down soft and steady, low and slow. Then the dawn touched the river, and the dark began to move. I lifted up my eyes, Lord, and found a reason to choose. Healing through music, healing through music. Carry me home again. Healing through music, healing through music. Hope is my faithful friend. When the burden is upon me and the tears fall like the rain, healing through music, healing through music, singing me strong again. My mother held the lamp high. My father taught me to stand. He said, walk with the humble and keep your heart in the land. I saw the blue mountain rising. I saw the sea stretch wide, and I knew no storm could break me. When love was by my side, then the dawn touched the river, and the dark began to move. I lifted up my eyes, Lord, and found a reason to choose. Healing through music, healing through music. Carry me home again. Healing through music, healing through music. Hope is my faithful friend. When the burden is upon me and the tears fall like the rain, healing through music, healing through music, singing me strong again. One day the chains will open, one day the wounded will sing. Every broken heart shall remember, even the coldest night must bring a morning over the water, a blessing over the land, and we will rise together with mercy in our hands. Healing through music, healing through music. Carry me home again. Healing through music, healing, healing through music, healing through music. Hope is my faithful friend. When the burden is upon me and the tears fall like the rain, healing through music, healing through music, singing me strong again. Healing through music, healing through music, music. We rise in peace as one. Healing through music, healing, healing through music, till the work of love is done. Yeah. free. Mama say, hold your crown when the road get cruel. Every scar a scripture, every bruise a jewel. Now let them break me spirit, now let them steal me name. Breathe in the sufferation, breathe out fire and flame. One heart, one meds, one motion, straighten up your frame. Reggae healing, healing, carry me through the storm. Reggae healing, healing, keep me solid and warm. Hey, rise up, Jah loving on me bones. Reggae healing, healing, build a righteous home. Seen brethren lose them reason, seen good man bend and fold. But truth like iron river, run through hot and cold. If you plant kindness deep, it return as food. If you talk from poison, you inherit the mood. So mind where you carry and watch your step. Every little action is a seed you accept. Choose the road of mercy and the whole world rap. Oh, reggae healing, healing, carry me through the storm. Reggae healing, healing, keep me solid and warm. Oh, rise up, Jah loving on me bones, yeah. Reggae healing, healing, build a righteous home. When the night get heavy and the mind get thin, remember you a river, not the river bedding. Flow past the mud, no let the clear water come. Even broken jump skin still can be taught one. Reggae healing, healing, carry me through the storm. Oh, reggae healing, healing, keep me solid and warm. Oh, rise up, Jah loving on me bones. Reggae healing, healing, build a righteous home. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh I. Morning hit the zinc fence, sun lick the mango tree. Whole heap of pressure, still I stand up free. Mama say hold your crown when the road get cruel. Every scar a scripture, every bruise a jewel. Now let them break me spirit, now let them steal me name. Breathe in the sufferation, breathe out fire and flame. One heart, one meds, one motion, straighten up your frame. Reggae healing, healing, carry me through the storm. Oh, reggae healing, healing, keep me solid and warm. I rise up, Jah loving on me bones. Oh, reggae healing, healing, build a righteous home. I seen brethren lose them reason, seen good man bend and fold. But truth like iron river, run through hot and cold. If you plant kindness deep, it return as food. If you talk from poison, you inherit the mood. remember you a river.